Okay, everybody, so the next mobility drill that we're going to do is called the hip hinge, and this is going to look awfully familiar, especially if you looked into the dumbbell deadlift or if you do squats. This is really important because it is a key foundational movement. So if you're not yet good at squats or deadlifts, or if you're just in the beginning phases of that, or if you're in too much pain doing that exercise, try this mobility drill and do this more often. So the first thing we're going to do is engage our feet, and we're going to ground our feet. We're going to bend our knees, and we're going to start in this like athletic like stance, okay? So from this position, you're going to bend your knees, and then your hips are going to bend, right? So from the side, it'll look like this. Feet are engaged. We're going to bend our knees, and then we're going to crease down like this. What we want to do is keep our spine nice and rigid, our core nice and strong, and have all the weight transferred into our legs and our hips in this nice, powerful, strong position, just like this. And so if you need some guidance, what you can do is you could take a stick or a broomstick or a mop or some sort of stick and put it behind your head. It should touch the back of your head, touch down the back of your spine, and touch down to the glute. If you start to bend forward like this, it's going to lift, the spine is going to lift up, or the broomstick will lift off your back. You don't want that. And likewise, if you're kind of like sitting like this, it's going to lift off your head. So you want to kind of keep it like in this alignment where you're bending the knees, bending at the hips, embracing the core, but keeping your spine straight. And what I want you to do also is think about a chair sitting behind you. You're going to sit back and then come back up. Sit back, come back up, and then squeeze your glutes as you come back up, keeping core and keeping your core tight. And also one really, really important thing is I want you guys to keep engaged the entire time. I don't want you just to kind of go through this. I want you to really be powerful in this position. You can put your arms up, you can keep your arms here, you can keep your arms like this, just like that. And this is called the hip hinge. It's a very, very powerful exercise. It's extremely important. It is one of the most foundational exercises, and as a result, I put this last, not because it is easy, but because it's really difficult, but it's also probably one of the most powerful ones and most important ones that you guys should do.